Welcome back, it's your guy Engineer Mojo with another car tutorial video. Today we are working on a 2003 ES300 Lexus V6 and we are performing an oil change. To get it started off fast, as always, full tool list is displayed on the screen. For any additional information that is added, please look down below in the video description. Without further ado, let's get this install started. After you've allowed your car to warm up for a bit, approximately 3 to 5 minutes, you want to locate two things: your oil dipstick to indicate the level of oil inside your motor, and also the oil cap. In this short clip, I'm showing you both locations. If you're lucky enough to still have the stock oil cap, you'll see on the cap the oil viscosity and weight that you're supposed to use inside the motor. For this particular motor, 5W30 is what you're supposed to use. For this car, I like to use a jack point from the front of the car, and I put my jack stands on each side for safety. To locate your oil drain plug, it's very easy. Go from the front of the car, work your way back underneath the car to the left of the exhaust. On the passenger side, you'll see your oil pan and the oil drain bolt. Now place your oil catch pan in place underneath the drain bolt. You want to go back up to the top of the car, to the top of the engine, and loosen the oil cap. You want to have air pressure be able to get inside to help drain the oil. You don't want to take it off because you don't want any foreign debris to fall into the engine, but slightly loosen. Now let's get this oil drained. Take your 14mm socket wrench, lefty-loosey to loosen the bolt, and drain the oil. Make sure your catch can is in place. Take into account the arch that the oil will take as it exits the oil pan. With the oil drained from the catch pan, go ahead and clean up around the area and reinstall the drain plug bolt with the new gasket that you bought. Install this bolt to a torque of approximately 30 to 33 foot-pounds. Again, this info is in the beginning of the video in the tool description and also down below. With the oil cap still loose on the top, you want to go ahead and locate your oil filter. You want to go to the front of the car, look just below the exhaust exit, and you'll see the oil filter is tucked up under there. If you look in the video, it's kind of the orange cylinder right there. I'm trying to get a good angle in the video, but it's right tucked up underneath your exhaust manifold that's exiting the engine. Lefty-loosey, of course, to uninstall this oil filter. If you have any issues because it's too tight getting it off, usually I'll use either some sandpaper to give me some more grip on my hand to wrap around there, or you can utilize an oil filter wrench to give you some more leverage. But either way, you should be able to twist that off. Reinstallation of the oil filter is really simple, but prior to installing, you want to make sure you take some of the new oil and rub the oil on the gasket. That way you don't have any later on in the future degradation of that gasket due to it being dry and dry rotting. The oil filter will go back on righty-tighty. You just twist it to the right, and how I make sure I get it snug enough but not too tight where I need to be a strong man to get it back off at the next oil change is once I twist it on and it gets snug where it's not easily twistable, I'll go another 3/4 turn. After that, I'm done. That way it usually will ensure that it's not too tight. With the drain plug properly torqued down, your oil filter snugged and tightened and replaced, now it's time to refill your engine with oil. I use a funnel here to keep things nice and clean, and you will input 5W30 5 quarts back into your engine and you'll be good to go. After inputting the oil and tightening back the oil cap, I'll run the car for about 5 minutes just to verify that there are no additional leaks coming from beneath the car. After that, you are done, my friend. You have accomplished an oil change for your Lexus ES300. As always, I hope you enjoyed this how-to. I always try to make these things quick, to the point, give you the goods and not the bads. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Just let me know how you felt about the video, positive or negative. I take it all. As always, thank you for watching. It's your boy Engineer Mojo. I'm out.